This year I bought one of these Stanleys for everyone in the family. I've already taken the lid off so I could show you the inside. Last night I put ice water in here, and our house is fairly warm, but there's still ice and water. I've already been drinking off of it this morning, same ice I put in last night. So I love that it actually keeps everything nice and cold. On the front it will lock closed so you don't accidentally press the button, but the button is really easy. It's got a nice wide mouth on it, and on the back we've got this carrying ring. I love the color options. Everybody got a different
YouTube is suggesting them, you are continuing to make passive income. So by you investing a little bit of time into making videos or starting a YouTube channel, you are creating a stream of passive income, even though you don't see it.
So I purchased this as a Christmas present for my 2-year-old. This is a size comparison. And he can easily open it, pop it open.
Yeah, I'm saying this thing.
Stanley water bottle for school. It fits perfectly in my backpack. It keeps my water cold all day. It's super easy to open. You just